some of our success stories have included families that have come to us just walking through the front door, seeking just general supports and services, or just asking us, what supports and services do you offer here? Many of them have ended up enrolling in our Adult for English classes and have made it through our program from our beginners class into our intermediate class. The great thing to see is that those same families then come back to us because now they feel confident enough to try to seek employment even within our school district. So we've been able to partner with our CCSD Human Resources Department, and they now provide a monthly human resources event here on site so that many of our families can now come through and try to apply for the jobs that are available through CCSD, as well as other partnerships that we have for employment. Some of these families have actually now become CCSD employees. So it started with a simple walk-in, a question that they had, and now they actually provide a support and service to our families as employees for CCSD. As a whole, the community is now aware of these HR services that we offer, and CCSD has hired in the past year and a half employees that have come directly from the support and service that we offer here through HR.